Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over the question, can you delete your purchase history on the Walmart app? Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to order gifts for someone in your house, let's say a family member or friend, and you guys all share the same Walmart app. Can you actually delete your purchase history? So I've been trying to figure this out myself, and unfortunately, you cannot delete your purchase history on the Walmart app. Now, I have researched it further online, and there was one suggestion that said that you could actually just delete your account if you want to go ahead and delete your purchase history. But I don't think that actually makes sense at all. So some workarounds that I essentially did was if you click on view all in your purchase history, and then let's take, for example, this store purchase that I did on December 17th. I believe that if you add items to your cart, let's say that the gift that you're trying to hide is towards the end. So let me show you exactly. So what will essentially happen is you can add items that you don't mind your family member or friend seeing into the cart first, and then add the actual gift towards the end of the shopping experience. And so with that, they'll still see your shopping cart, but it'll kind of be hidden just a little. I hope that makes sense, but that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and answer this question. If you guys have a suggestion, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.